Guys, here we are, rat rod build day 8. And now today I'm going to show you some good news. Wheels. Met a super guy on Facebook, traded me these wheels, and I think they just really set this truck off. Mirror. But here's what I'm doing for the bed. Check this out, guys. All nostalgic signs. Tire rod's better underneath there. May have to trim it a little bit, but I don't think much. Excuse the mess in the bed, but I'm gonna build put a piece of wood, come down here and close that part of the bed off. Get it. So there you go. Show you the other side. Here it is. Well, we got the tail lights on. Just got to make a back bumper for down here now. Well, I'm really proud of it. My dad is going to love riding in this rat rod Gene Dollar plumbing truck.